it back over to Jonathan Myers. We've got a messy morning out there, Jonathan.
Yeah, real ugly start to our Monday, and in fact, pretty hazardous at some spots where we've got snow on the roads. Temperatures right near freezing right now, and that's where they'll remain actually much of the day, although upstairs in the atmosphere, things are going to warm. So we're going to see the snow to start through about 10 a.m., and then a change to rain here in the city, but that could be precluded by a little bit of ice north and west from about 10 a.m. through maybe, say, about 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon. There could be a glazing there. That's on top of the 1 to 2 inches of snow that we see, especially north of the city. And then again, eventually everybody does change to rain later on this afternoon. So winter weather advisories are in effect. We're going to lead you through this hour by hour. 10 a.m. is when these expire. From Baltimore City, north and west, you are under these. And this is why we have the school closures and delays this morning. HD radar shows that we've got snow that continues basically from Baltimore City north. You've got that whitish kind of blue, goes all the way to Edgewood and Bel Air. Then you work your way south, and actually it looks like we're beginning to make a change to rain here toward Bowie and Annapolis and Washington, D.C. Now, the problem is with the temperatures, as this begins to make that changeover right near freezing, north and west of the city potentially still could be below freezing. So that's why you see some of this pink out west. That could overspread places like Carroll County, as well as north up into places like the Hereford zone. Still snowing now, at least that's what's reported over at BWI. You get a close-up look here right around Pratt Light Street area. You see some of those big fat flakes that are falling. Humidity's high, of course, because of the clouds and the snow. No wind chill because there's no wind, so at least that's good. But when you do get those heavier bursts of snow, you could have some reduced visibilities. Now, temperatures, again, north and west of the city, they're right at or below freezing, and road temperatures to boot, also about 29 to 31. So that means some of the side roads getting covered over. Baltimore south and east, though, about 32, 33 on the roads, so it's more of a wet snow with the melting on impact on the road surfaces. That's going to be the case this morning through about 10 a.m. Again, it's a warm front that's moving at us, so eventually rain does take it over as temperatures warm. Could be some ice here into the early afternoon north, and then everybody changes to rain tonight as temperatures significantly warm late tonight and tomorrow. So through the next hour or two, we'll still see mainly the mode going to be snow here in the blue. Now, by about 8:45, the pink is a rain-snow mix, maybe a little bit of ice north and west, and that even could last again into the early afternoon. You see here 2:30, 3 o'clock through about 4, 5 o'clock, patchy ice north. But here in Baltimore south and east and most of the rest of us getting just rain, and then it's all rain into tonight and into tomorrow as well. Now, in terms of snowfall, it's not going to be a ton, but the timing is the biggest problem. Here in Baltimore south and east, maybe up to about an inch of slush. That's going to be mainly on the car tops and the grass. But north and west is where things could get quite bad. So 36, snow through about 10 a.m., then it's a change to rain, maybe some ice in the interim there north and west during the mid and early afternoon hours. Occasional rain tonight. Temperatures rise to around 40 by early tomorrow morning. And your 7-day forecast, we're 51 and raining on Tuesday. And then another slug of dry but cold air for Wednesday and Thursday. Ever miss forecast? Always there on the bottom and side of your screen, even during commercials on our morning news ticker.